So you people have given me only 2 doubts, huh? Just 2 ही डाउट है इधर, तो ले लेते हैं. Yeah, it's chemical kinetics. Everyone, please write the question with me. Okay? For a reaction, A reacts to give B and B reacts to give C. Now over here, the rate constant of first reaction is K1 and the rate constant of the second reaction is K2. Then it is saying if the क्या लिखा है जरा पढ़ो सोहा. If
the rate of formation of B is said to be 0, then the concentration of B
will be
is given by,
okay. So write the question with me. I hope you all have written the question. The question goes this way. For a reaction A giving B with the rate constant K1 and B again reacts to give C with the rate constant K2. Now, if the rate of formation of B is set to 0, then the concentration of B is given by. Now, we know A is reacting to give B and B is further reacting to give C. ये तो दिख ही रहा है, क्वेश्चन में दिया ही हुआ है. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
रेट कांस्टेंट भी दिया है K1 K2. आधे से ज्यादा काम तो कंप्लीट कर दिया उसने अपना. Yes or no? इस इक्वेशन के हिसाब से अच्छा हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ बी. यू हैव टू फाइंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ बी. According to this question, what is rate of फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बी? क्योंकि हमें पता है रेट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बी को हमने 0 कर दिया है. यस और नो? तो टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर रेट ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बी. कैसे लिखूं? चेंज इन molar concentration of B with the change in time. Now tell me how will you write it making use of the equation? Come on. अच्छा ठीक है. Tell me what is rate of forward reaction? Tell me mathematically how to write rate of forward reaction. Oh my God. How to write rate of forward reaction mathematically? Oh my God. Rate is directly proportional to molar concentration of A. Then remove the proportionality sign. So rate is equal to K1 into molar concentration of A. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप तो बोल ही नहीं रहे थे. And how will you write the next reaction? Second one is directly proportional to molar concentration of B. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is K1, no, K2 into molar concentration of B. Now tell me what to do. Now it is very easy. How to find how much B is remaining if its formation is taken as 0. अच्छा ठीक है. Can you tell me how to write change in molar concentration of dB by dt, that is B, using these two? Do you remember that? Oh my God. Arey, my dear, change is, no one can tell. Arey, change in concentration is difference in the rate of the two reactions, na? जितना A B बन रहा है जिस रेट से और जिस रेट से B C बन रहा है, वो दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके जो बच गया वही होगा ना B वेसल में. अभी भाई some amount of A reacts to give B and some B reacts to give C, not all. तो जो B further C नहीं बना, that is the remaining, no? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So dB by dt will be equal to, substitute K1 molar concentration of A minus K2 molar concentration of B. Tell me what are the options given? What is the first
K1 by,
option?
yes, ma'am. K1 by K2 into molar concentration of A.
K1 by
K2
K1 by K2 into
molar concentration of A.
K1 by K2 into A. अरे यही है आंसर. Not clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I got it.
हो गया ना भाई. अभी ये तो जीरो लेना है अब.
Yes, ma'am.
So 0 is K1 into molar concentration of A minus K2 into molar concentration of B. Now I want only B. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So molar concentration of B is equal to what? K1A? मतलब पहले ये ऐसा आएगा K2B equal to K1A. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
पहला ऐसा आएगा. अभी अपने को क्या निकालना है?
Molar concentration of B.
यानी कि this part. So molar concentration of B is equal to K1 by K2 into molar concentration of A. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Copy it. Done.
N, ma'am.
Okay. Now here. This also done?
Yes, ma'am.
One more doubt is there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Same type. You all can try on your own also. I'm writing the question. Will you try it? Hmm? It's the same question. These questions, I think, are from Pradeep.
Ma'am, it's from JE archive.
With that only, अभी उन लोग ने वहीं से उठाया होगा ना, खुद का थोड़ी बनाया.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try. Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, the rate of forward reaction will be K1 into molar concentration of A2.
Rate of forward will be?
K1 into molar concentration of A2.
Yeah.
and backward will be K minus 1 into molar concentration of A square.
Yeah.
And formation of A will be minus 1, sorry, 1 by 2 dA by dt.
Rate of formation of A
A
will be
1 by 2 dA by dt because it has the
yes.
coefficient 2.
Yes. Then
And we will equate it to rate of forward minus rate of backward.
yes. So half dA by dt equal to K
K2.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So we want to find dA by dt.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be 2 into minus 2 into. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone know what we did? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? अरे बोलो तो.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे बोलो तो. Okay. Now see, that completes all the doubts of MCQ of your states of matter. Correct? Let me see, people are not responding. My dear, this is chemical kinetics. Okay.